still feel like we'll get a good idea of what's going on earlier in the morning, so we're gonna go ahead and just stick to the game plan the best we can and go in here and see if we can find something. Wonder if that's a good one. Looks like one of the older ones. I have no idea what that is. At first glance, I'm not seeing a lot of new stuff. Actually really pretty. That's kind of cool. I might get that one. I don't really see any new toys. The Ray Dunn was not really worth it. There's one listed for like $24, but none sold. I'm gonna check out these Mary Englebright mugs. Those are definitely not worth it. This is one of those, like, Baron, or I can't pronounce it. So that doll is a newborn. It's 2207 is the number on it, the back of its head, and that one only goes for about 10. It is very crowded already in here. Alright, we are getting out of here. It's super overwhelming. Not much is coming up, but these are Restoration Hardware antique hand blown Christmas ornaments. And they don't sell right now, but closer to Christmas they'll start selling in that $50 to $100 range, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick them up. It is Wednesday, a little after 10 o'clock, so a little bit later. I did have another Zoom meeting, so didn't exactly plan this week appropriately, but tomorrow and Friday we should be able to get here between 9 and 10. It is already popping. It is senior day, so this is the day all the young resellers use their grandmothers to get a discount. But we're gonna go in here and see if we can find something. Oh, I really don't need it. good news is it doesn't look like it's worth it. It's like a little trinket box, but it's broken. Avon. There was some Wedgwood here yesterday, but it wasn't very valuable. This one's broken. It is pretty though. So I was just walking by and this caught my eye, and I immediately knew it was Holt Howard. So this may end up being the find of the week for all I know. It's definitely the find of the day. Wondering what this little bowl is too. I might try to look up that. Cat stuff does good. That's artist signed pottery, so we'll check it out. Somebody donated their cat stuff. I don't know if any of these are special.
Just what they need.
Pokemon. They're gonna check out these mini brands. That looks fancy. The cups weren't really worth it. I don't know what that is. Studio is. I'm gonna look them up. So I did find this Edwin Walter used glass watermelon platter. I think for $2.99 I'm gonna give it a try. Some of his stuff does really well, but it's that time of year where I think it might sell pretty quickly. I'm also gonna look up these cat bowls. Put a couple things back. I put the mini brands back. The thing is just gonna be more work than I want to do right now. I probably could have maybe gotten $30 for that entire bag. This is a Vaughn L. Smith bowl, and that should go for about $30. And then I did find these Russian vocabulary cards that should go about $20, $24. I found a couple anthropology pieces, but nothing of any significant value.